Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. So today we look at Penang Paper 1 2020 question number 5. So from this diagram, so this is obvious from chapter 4 form 5 light. Okay. So diagram shows the position of the man, table and vase in front of a plane mirror. Okay, mirror. So if mirror means this is reflection. Okay, you look at the diagram. So the distance between the man, the table and the vase from the mirror already labelled. Can see the labelling. Now look at the question. So what is the distance of the table's image? Okay, not the table but the table's image seen by the man. Okay, so in order to answer this question, you must know where is the location of the table's image. Okay, you must know where is the table's image, and we know that the image in front of the image of the for the plane mirror will be formed behind the plane mirror. So in this case, okay, so we know that the distance between the tables and the mirror is this, and the image will be formed behind the mirror with the same distance. So I label this as U. So the image will be labeled as V, but the distance will be the same as U. Now, what is this length? Okay, so the distance between the man and the mirror, plane mirror, is 5 meter. So 5 minus 2 minus 2, so this is 1 meter. So we know that U, the object distance, means the table's distance will be 2 meter plus 1 meter plus 2 meter, which is 3 meter. So the distance will be, image distance will be also 3 meter. But the question asking about the distance of the table's image and the man. So it means that the distance will be this distance. Okay, it will be 5 plus 3, which is 8 meter. So the answer is, yes, 8 meter. Okay. Now, as you know, so this is from chapter 5 form 4. So this is 5.1 reflection. In this subtopic, reflection subtopic, you learn the characteristic of the image formed by mirror. Okay, mirror. But there are two types of mirror that you learn. One is the plane mirror, as this plane mirror, and then another one is curve mirror. Right, curve mirror. Okay, curve mirror. So for the curve mirror, there are two curve mirrors. So one is convex, cembung, alright, convex mirror. The other one is concave mirror. Mirror, cermin cekung. Okay, now, so first we look at plane mirror. What is the characteristic of the image formed by the plane mirror? Okay, so if the image is formed behind the plane mirror, so the characteristic is what we call as Maya or virtual. Alright, so the characteristic of the image formed by the plane mirror, we look at plane mirror only today. Okay, plane mirror will be, number one is virtual BM Maya, and then the image will be upright. Okay, upright, tegak. Okay, and then the size of the image will be the same. Okay, so I put here as same size. Same size. Okay, another extra characteristic will be the object distance will be the same as the image distance. Then the other one is laterally inverted. Songsang sisi. In BM is songsang sisi. Laterally inverted, ada buku yang guna laterally inversion pun the same thing. Okay, so same size. Ingat at least you remember 3. Same size, upright, virtual, Okay, laterally inverted, the object distance same as the image distance. What is the meaning of laterally inverted? Laterally inverted means, katakan this man angkat tangan kanan, okay, image-nya akan angkat tangan kiri. That is laterally inverted. Okay, songsang sisi. Okay, so after you know the characteristic of the image, another important thing will be ray diagram. How to draw a ray diagram? Okay, nak cara senang ke nak cara yang lebih susah? If nak cara senang, setakat nak dapat markah, this is the way. Okay? Okay, so I teach you the easier way. So let's say we have an object here. Katakan a vase lah, pasu. Okay, like that. Okay, so this is the vase where this is the object. Okay, katakan this is the object. Now, to draw the ray diagram, there will be normally 3 marks. Okay, akan ada 3 markah. 3 marks. So, mark number 1 will be for the ray. Okay, sinar. Sinaran yang pertama. And then sinar kedua will be the second mark. Okay, and then the third mark will be the image. Okay, how to draw the ray diagram? Okay, so number 1, I'm using another color lah. Okay, so number 1 will be the image. Okay, so you measure this. You measure this distance. You can follow the diagram. Let's say the distance is 2 meter. So the image will be formed behind the mirror 2 meter. Okay, so you just draw your image. Okay, so this will be mark number 3. Okay, in order to draw the ray diagram, you need to have 2 rays. So the first ray, you need to pick up from which point. Katakan cikgu nak start from this point lah. Okay, 1 point lah, start from here. So it means that the image for this point is this. Alright, so normally they will give you the eye, mata, pemerhati. Pemerhati katakan up here. Mata pemerhati. So what you can do will be, you put a ruler, okay, di bawah mata. Letak satu ruler dekat bawah mata, and then put the ruler bawah mata. Then another side will be here, dekat dengan image. Okay, so means that your ruler will be like this, and you just follow your ruler lah. Dekat di luar like this, you use solid line, garis lurus, bukan putus-putus. And then di belakang mirror, behind the mirror, you use dotted line, like that. Okay, you need to have 2. Kejap, alang-alang cikgu explain this one lah. So from here, just sambung pergi ke object, like that. Okay, so then you add in arrow, tambahkan arrow. So the arrow should be from the object to the mirror. So maksudnya like this. Okay, because this actually represent the light. Light from the object go to the mirror. And then a proper way to draw the diagram, there must be a normal line here, garis normal lah. And then this is the incident angle, and then here is the reflected angle. So sudut 7 sama dengan sudut sinar. So means that the light go to the mirror and then reflected, like that. Okay, so means that this is already complete the first ray. Markah yang pertama lah, this mark. Now, I change color so that easy for you to see. Okay, lebih jelas. Hopefully you can understand. Let's say I'm using what color? So let's say light blue. Okay, so another ray, do the same thing. Okay, put your ruler here at the image, and then to the upper eye, bahagian atas mata. So then maksudnya you will get like this. Okay, garis lurus, bukan putus-putus in front, and then behind you use dotted line. Use your ruler. Maksudnya this blue line should be straight line, garis lurus. Tapi di belakang mirror you use dotted line. In front of the mirror, solid line. Then from this point, okay, sambung pergi ke object. at the same point just now, sambung like that. It is okay, bersilang tak ada masalah. Okay, now add in arrow. So from the object, okay, arrow like that, and then here ada normal line. This is the incident angle, this is the reflected angle, and then light reflected like that. Okay, boleh? Now you already get the second mark for the ray. So you have 3 marks already. Okay, so this is the second ray, and then the third mark is for the image. Okay, boleh faham? Alright, so hopefully you can understand this. Tapi sebenarnya what happen is light actually come from the object. I use my highlighter lah. Alright, so cara sebenar to draw the ray diagram is like this. Okay, so you get 1 point from the object. Okay, then you should draw 1 ray. Okay, dengan arrow to the mirror. Then you draw the normal line, get the incident reflected angle, then you draw this to the eyes. Then you need another ray from the object, okay, to the mirror like that. Draw arrow, and then this will be reflected. Okay, so if you lengthen these two, panjangkan, it will not intercept. So it means that the image will be no way in front of the mirror. So you lengthen behind the mirror. You see, this is, we lengthen it. Tapi we lengthen it by using dotted line because this is not the real light. Okay, bukan cahaya yang sebenar. As if, seolah-olah. Okay, so lengthen this. You see it intercept here, bersilang here. So it means that this is the position of the object. Boleh faham? Okay, but when you draw like this, sometimes it's quite hard to get the image from 2 meter, means at the same distance like that. So normally student unable to get this the third mark. Okay, if you draw that way. Okay, just follow the easy method that I explained just now. Alright, so all the best. Okay, see you in next video. Alright, bye bye.